If Instagram video call filters are not working on your account, this tutorial will walk you through the exact steps to fix the issue. First, open the Play Store on your phone. Tap the search bar and look for Instagram. If an update is available, install the latest version and wait for the update to complete. Once the update is done, long press the Instagram app and open App Info. Scroll down and tap on Storage, then clear the cache. Go back and force stop the Instagram app. Return to your home screen and open Instagram again to check if the video call filter is working. If the issue is still there, follow the next step. Open Instagram and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu icon, scroll down, and select Help. Then tap Report a Problem. Choose Report Problem again, and select Include and Continue. Clearly explain that the video call filter is not working on your account, then tap Send. After submitting the report, Instagram usually fixes the issue within a short time. Thanks for watching, and stay connected for more helpful updates.